Welcome back to Decoding Zoho Books, one question at a time. So far, we have talked about how Zoho Books makes accounting simpler, smarter, and also more about integrations. But here's something many businesses struggle with: migrating their existing accounting into Zoho Books. To clear that up, we have Mr. Vijay, our Zoho certified expert at Zentegra. So, Mr. Vijay, a lot of business owners love the idea of moving to Zoho Books, but they hesitate because of the fear of data migration. So, how does Zentegra help with that?
Yeah, that's a super common concern. Migration can sound scary, but with the right approach, it's smooth. At Zentegra, we handle ZBooks migration end to end. That means we take your existing accounting data like invoices, customers, vendors, taxes, products, even the opening balances, and bring it all into Zoho Books securely and accurately. We also clean up your data along with the way so you start fresh without duplicates or missing the entries. So once everything is moved to our system, our team will completely do a post-migration audit to make sure your books line up perfectly. And here's the best part: we also offer 15 days of free post-migration support. So if you're facing any issues or having any questions after moving in, we are right there to help you.
That's huge, especially for the people switching from tools like QuickBooks, Tally, or Xero, right?
Exactly. We make sure that you don't lose sleep or data during the migration.
If you're planning to switch to Zoho Books, don't do it alone. Head over to www.zbooksmigration.com and check out Zentegra's Zoho Books migration service. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights right here on Decoding Zoho Books, one question at a time. Link in bio.